Hi, this is Dan Collins, Editor-in-Chief of Modern Trader Magazine, coming to you live from the floor of CME Group on Wednesday, October 28th for Traders Exclusive. Today may be the morning of the least interesting Fed meeting of the year. As you know, the Fed meets later on today. Surprised some at their September meeting by not tightening interest rates. Nothing's expected today. The question is, with the Fed, is what language will they put in their statement on whether they will move on December. My guess is that they'll leave it open. The question is how much they'll leave it open. The S&P, the markets, has recovered most of the losses from the August volatility and is sitting at 2062, kind of in the middle of the range where they've been for most of the year. The question about the Fed is, I think they're going to keep the idea of a December tightening open. The market will react negatively to that. The question is, what does that language say? My guess is that the Fed's going to want to keep it open, and that barring some additional weak economic news, they're going to go ahead and tighten December. If you remember the 2 years ago with the tapering debate, they had basically pledged to begin tapering by the end of 2013. Most people thought it would happen in September. Two really bad unemployment reports pushed them off. So it came to December. There was a debt ceiling debate prior to that. There was a deal made, so that was no longer a hindrance. So when the December meeting came, they began tapering. I think the same thing will happen with tightening, barring any really, really weak economic news. The question is, well, today and later, is how negatively the market will react to it. I question it'll be down some. I don't think it'll retrace back. Which leads us to the broader question is the market ready to fly again? We've regained those losses. The VIX is back down to the teens, that they're sitting at 15. We're still in the month of October, so the question is the risk over with? I wouldn't take off my short hedges, but there's a possibility that it is, especially we'll see what happens today. One other thing I wanted to mention is the other really interesting market for 2015, energy. There's so much has been said about crude oil. Crude's back down under $45. The question is how low it can go. But this week, natural gas nearly dipped under $2. I think it's trading $2.30 because we moved November to December today. But the equivalent in crude oil would be below 30 at $2, and that may be an opportunity there because it's hard to see natural gas getting so much lower. But today, look for the Fed to keep the chance of a December cut alive, and the market won't like it. This has been Dan Collins, Editor-in-Chief of Modern Trader Magazine for Traders Exclusive.